Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a solution for MicroCMS version 2 of Hacker101 CTF. The difficulty level for this lab is moderate and it has 3 flags. So let's start it. So this is a simple application. We have 3 links over here. Let's browse through this application. Okay, we need to be logged in for creating a new page. Let's go back and view the content. Okay, nothing much over here. Let's see if we can edit. Probably we also need to log in. Yes, we need to log in for this as well. Let's try to capture the request for this particular. Okay, and what happens if I click on edit page? Let me send it to repeater. So the user is actually being redirected. What if we change the method to post? And here we have got our first flag. Okay, let's proceed to find out the next flag. For this we will log in into the application, but we don't know the username and password. So first we need to find out the username and password. So for that we are going to make use of SQL injection. In order to check if there is any vulnerability of SQL injection, we will just copy this request. We'll go to this Kali Linux. Then we're going to create a file SQL request.txt. I'll just paste it over here and save this file. Now SQL map, we will make use of SQL map. So this is the same flag. So we have got another flag, and also we have got the username and password. Here's the username and password. So first flag that we got is here. The second flag that we got is here. And for the third flag, let's try to log into the application with Marva and Freddy as username and password. So let's Marva Freddy. So here's a third flag. So with this we have captured all the 3 flags. Do like this video, and if you want more such content then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, goodbye and happy learning.